So I got this jacket for Poppy. Hi, Poppy. And it's just really big on him. The neck is perfect. That's perfect. Okay. But look how big the opening is for his arms. And look how big the jacket is. I mean, he even has another leather jacket underneath. You see it there? But this is huge. Look how it just pops up. And so he always gets a medium for his jackets. Here, Poppy, stand up. And see, you can see how this jacket, when he walks, it his tail just barely comes out.
What do you think, Mojo?
Mojo?
Oh, Lulu wants to come down.
Oh, he's so cute. Lulu. Bro, he's so cute. Look how cute you are.
And those little socks.
Those socks.
Well, no, it helps him like grip because his little back muscles are weak.
Oh, yeah. It's a little grippies.
Yeah, little
He's so
grippies.
cute. I can't even do. He's so
Mojo.
excited.
Oh, you can't hear. What am I
Oh, I
doing?
know. But
He's so excited. Like, he can walk better now.
Really?
Well, he doesn't fall as much.
Do you like
Okay,
your
Lulu,
grip?
We're coming, Lulu.
Lulu.
Oh, you look so cute. Why are you barking so loud?